Exercise 68. Oxford Junior English Translation. We are not going to run. Correct. This is grammatically correct and commonly used to express a future plan or intention. We are not to run. Grammatically correct, but different meaning. This means we are not allowed or permitted to run. It's more about obligation or command, not intention or plan. Conclusion. Use "we are not going to run" to express a plan or intention. Use "we are not to run" when talking about rules or orders. Exercise 68.
मैं परीक्षा नहीं देने वाला हूँ.
I am not going to take the exam.
हम लोग नहीं दौड़ने को हैं.
We are not going to run.
वह मदद नहीं करने को है.
He is not going to help.
गाड़ी नहीं खुलने वाली है.
The train is not going to depart.
तुम मेरी मदद नहीं करने वाले हो.
You are not going to help me.
वे लोग पटना नहीं जाने को हैं.
They are not going to Patna.
मैं अपना घर नहीं बेचने को हूँ.
I am not going to sell my house.
क्या आप परीक्षा देने को हैं?
Are you going to take the exam?
क्या वे शादी करने को हैं?
Are they going to get married?
क्या तुम लोग यहाँ ठहरने वाले हो?
Are you going to stay here?
क्या वह आने को है?
Is he going to come?
क्या आप गाने को हैं?
Are you going to sing?
क्या हम लोग जाने को हैं?
Are we going to go?